This is the Mike Express printing business. Here is all the products. Dog phone holders, picture frame, castle, board, ball, soccer ball, treasure chest, Thomas the Tank Engine, boat, owl pen holders, Pepper Pig, Simon Sam, Milano, treasure chest. This product was made with a Ventura for 3D printer. Red Bat Solution Spiders. Red Bat Solution Spiders. Spider-Man. Coffee Time Clock. Red Bat Solution Spiders. Eagle Tower. Eagles. Dog phone holders. Tree phone holders. Blue Eagle pen holders. Pen owl pen holders. Tree phone holder. Games of phone mug. Knife. Boat. Snake phone holders. Cat phone holders. Cat phone holders. Cat phone holders. Elephants. Cat phone holders. Panthers. 2 feet holder. Kangaroo. Crocodile phone holders. Coffee time clock. Coffee time clock. With fully lightened. Works very well. This is the flash board Inventor for 3D printer. These are all the filaments for the machine, the workspace filament for the machine. These are all of the filaments for the flash filament for each project. Done.